So you asked, what is local SEO? Local SEO is broken down into 7 different categories. And we identify these as links and authority, rank checker, which is Google My Business, local listings, reputation, Google My Business, on-site SEO, and social channels. So each one of these, it's really simple. We make it really simple for our clients. We just want these boxes all to be green, okay? And if they're not green, then there's a problem. And this guy actually came to me and he said, Ryan, can you help me? He found me on one of our YouTube videos that we market our company with, and we give out, free information out there, which is, by the way, one of the things I would recommend that you guys do. So I did this audit for him. Okay, this is our local search audit for him. And so if we want to find out how to fix any one of these, so it's red light, green light, yellow light. Okay, so it's like a traffic signal. I mean, obviously, yellow is decent, but it's not green. Red is bad. Green is good. So if we want to find out how to fix the red, we just click on it, and it takes us right down here to how they can fix it. So here's a very intricate explanation of all of these different categories here. And my team goes in and we fix all of these issues for our clients. The rank checker, how do we fix it? So we go in here and we look at, first of all, they're just not showing up for any of these keywords. And so, that's one of the things. And now local listings, how do we fix these? You can see that they're found on some of these, but some of their information is not correct. Like their name is not correct. And all of these, anything in red or X's needs to be fixed. Okay. And then finally, on-site SEO, how do we fix that? Well, there's a lot you can see. Here's all the red, the errors. There's 2 errors here. We can click on this to find out the details. We fix all of these errors on their website. Page descriptions are not correct. Alt tags, word count. It's not mobile friendly. We got to increase the mobile speed. The physical address showing up. Here's the schema markup is not showing up on their website the way it should be. And then finally, social channels. We got to fix this. And then, so you can see, we work on this stuff until the client is green across the board. And once that happens, that's when they show up. That's when they start showing up here in the search results on the maps, is when they're green across the board.